Welcome to TallyHelp videos. In this video, you will learn how to calculate GST on the taxable value derived from tax-inclusive MRP for tobacco products in TallyPrime. As per CGST notification number 20, dated 31st December 2025, the government has notified the following changes effective 1st February 2026. GST compensation cess has been removed on cigarettes and other tobacco products. The GST rate for cigarettes and other tobacco products has been revised to 40%. The GST rate for BDs has been revised to 18%. GST is now calculated on the taxable value derived from tax-inclusive MRP and not on the actual selling price. To begin, you need to enable the required plugin. Open tallysolutions.com to enable the plugin in TallyPrime. Link is in the description. Enter your Tally serial number and click Check Eligibility. An OTP will be sent to your license administrator's registered email ID. Enter the OTP and click Submit. Once your serial number is successfully linked, a confirmation message is displayed. You will also receive a confirmation email to your registered email ID. Next, update your TallyPrime license. Press F1. Select Settings. Then License. Choose Manage License. And press F5. In the Update License screen, enter your tally.net ID and password. After updating the license, press F1 again and select Tally Plugins. You will now see the plugin listed and enabled. Once the plugin is enabled, proceed to update the GST rate in the stock item. Open the stock item alteration screen. For cigarettes and other tobacco products, update the GST rate to 40%. For BDs, update the GST rate to 18%. Set cess valuation type as not applicable. Enter the effective date as 1st February 2026. Enable Calculate GST on tax-inclusive MRP. Enable Set Alter MRP Details. In the MRP Details screen, if the MRP rate is blank, then update the MRP rate with effective date as 1st February 26. You can also bulk update the GST rates from GST Rate Setup. And complete the other updates in individual stock item alteration screen. Once the GST rate is updated, you can now record transactions. Open a sales voucher. Enter the stock item, quantity, and rate of sale. In the GST rate and related details screen, notice that the taxable value is automatically calculated based on the tax-inclusive MRP. Select the appropriate tax ledger in the sales voucher. To view the tax breakup, press Ctrl-O and select GST Tax Analysis. You can see that GST is calculated on the taxable value derived from the MRP and not on the selling price. Press Ctrl-A to save the voucher. You have now successfully recorded a transaction with GST calculated on the taxable value derived from tax-inclusive MRP. Such transactions appear in GSTR1 as included in return. You can also verify them Under exception reports, then drill down from transactions accepted as valid and then from transactions accepted as is. Thank you. On any screen in TallyPrime, press Ctrl F1 to learn how to complete the task.